Okay, so hello everyone. Today we are going to review some question that will be on your test for POAS. The first subject is actually mathematics, so let's just get started. Number one, look at number one. Chico has 16 candies. He puts the candies equally into 4 groups. How many candies does each group have? So we first have to know that it is actually division because the keyword here shows that equally is actually division question. Okay, so we know that there are only 4 groups now, so let's make 4 groups. 1 2 3 4. Now we got 4 groups, so let's fill the candies into those groups, okay, until there is no candy left. So let's count 1 to 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 is enough. There are 16 candies now in these groups. So let's just count one group because we know that all of the group has the same numbers of candies. So let's count 1 2 3 4. So each group has 4 candies. So now let's just move to the next question. Question number 2. Ray has 20 marbles. He puts the marbles into boxes equally. Each box has 5 marbles. How many boxes are there? So this is a bit different than the question number 1 because we have to find how many boxes there are. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the first clue that we can use to answer the question. Ray has 20 marbles. Remember that only 20 marbles. And each box has 5 marbles. Okay, so let's put all of the marbles in boxes. Let's make the first boxes here. So remember that only 5 marbles in one box. So let's count 1 to 20. 1 2 3 4 5. Now one box has been filled by 5 marbles. So let's move to the next box. 5. Continue counting. 6 7 8 9 10. Already 5. Let's move to the next box. 11 12 13 14 15 15 16 17 18 19 20. Already 20. And each box has 5 marbles now. So let's count how many boxes are there. 1 2 3 4. I'm sorry. 1 2 3 4. So there are actually 4 boxes. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is about time. So remember that there are two hands. The short one is called hour hand and the long one is called minute hand. If the minute hand is at 12, we can read that as a clock. So what a clock is that? Look at the hour hand. The hour hand is at 10. So it's actually easy. We know that it is actually 10 o'clock. Okay. Now let's move to number 4. Number 4 is actually about time also, but it's a bit different because if the minute hands show that it is at 12, we can say or read it as a clock, but the minute hand is at 6 now. When the minute hand is at 6, it is actually half past the hour. So it is actually half past the hour because the minute hand is at 6 now. Okay, so let's now look at the hour hand. The hour hand show that it is actually between 8 and 9. But we only have to take a look at the number that the hour hand has passed. The hour hand passed 8 now. So it is actually past 8. Not 9 because the hour hand doesn't pass 9 yet. So we can write here half past 8. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 3 and 4. I already write the answer here. And now number 5. Let's finish number 5. We all know that it is actually addition question because the symbol. Okay, let's try to answer using this way. 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15. Okay, we have to count the ones first. Okay, the ones is 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 10. So we better write 10 here first. Okay, we got the number 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 equal 10. So now we cross the ones in its place and move to its place. Okay, 0. The ones is 0. And now the 10 is 1. Let's move the 10 to its place. This is the place for 10. Okay, so these all are 10s. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. So we have to write here 4. Okay,